Hey everyone, Wealthy here. I'm so excited to embark on this amazing journey with all of you as I start my faceless YouTube channel from absolute scratch. I've always been passionate about finance and the world of money-making methods. Now, starting with $0, I brainstormed ideas on how to create content that would truly resonate with my audience. That's when I discovered the power of AI and how it could assist me in this endeavor. ChatGPT is an incredible language model, became my trusty companion to write scripts for my videos. Using my prompts, it crafted engaging and informative content that would captivate my viewers and keep them coming back for more. Next up, I needed to create a recognizable brand for my channel. Canva came to the rescue. It's a fantastic online design tool that allows you to create stunning graphics without any graphic design experience. I began by designing a logo that would represent my channel's personality. After exploring various options, I found the perfect combination of elements that visually conveyed my focus on finance and wealth building. But that's not all. A channel banner was also on the to-do list. Canva provided me with an array of YouTube logo and banner templates to choose from. I had the freedom to customize them to my heart's content, adding my personal touch and ensuring that they perfectly reflected the channel's identity. Now it was time to take my videos to the next level with voiceovers. I stumbled upon Play, an awesome website that offers a range of AI-generated voices. The best part, it's free to use. With Play, I could select from an extensive library of voices. And here's the cherry on top. Play even allowed me to clone a voice. This feature proved invaluable as I wanted a consistent voice for all my videos. Cloning the AI-generated voice ensured that every piece of content I created had a cohesive and familiar feel to it. Now it's time to put our powerful tools to work. Head over to ChatGPT and copy the script it has beautifully crafted for your video. Once you have the script, return to Play and insert it into the platform. Select your preferred AI-generated voice from their diverse collection and let it bring life to your words. With the script and voiceover perfectly combined, you're almost ready to create your video masterpiece. Now, export the paragraphs and audio files from Play, ensuring they are in a format compatible with your video editing software. Once everything is exported, import the files into your video editor, whether it's iMovie or Mark or any other software, on your computer or device. Now that I had my logo, banner, and voiceovers sorted, it was time to combine it all together. I added it to my video editor and overlaid the AI voiceover from Play. The result was a seamless and professional video that kept my audience engaged while sharing valuable insights into finance and wealth building. At this point, I must clarify that I'm not monetized yet. This means that I'm not trying to sell anything on my channel. My main goal is to take all of you along with me on this exciting journey of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. I'm dedicated to providing valuable insights and money-making methods that have worked for me and could work for you too. If you want to support me and be part of this financial adventure, I kindly ask you to like and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll not only be helping me grow, but also joining a community of like-minded individuals seeking to maximize their wealth and reach their financial goals. And that's not all. If you want to take things to the next level and maximize your views on YouTube, stay tuned because I plan to create a step-by-step guide on how to achieve just that. Let's build wealth together and make our financial dreams come true. Thank you all for your support, and remember, the journey to financial success begins right here.